it's Tuesday Talk with Rebecca, nurse practitioner, and
Jenna, master esthetician
from AIYANA Aesthetics, and we're here to talk to you about some winter skincare tips. Okay, so we wanted to just compile a little list of some skincare tips specifically for the winter months where it's drier outside, not necessarily in Oregon, but the lack of humidity that is out there, and then also just kind of the more harsher weather. So we came up with a few things that we thought might be helpful for you to take care of your skin during these winter months. So the first and probably the most important is that you still have to wear sunscreen, and Jenna can attest to this. There are still those dangerous rays out there that can damage your skin, even though it's cloudy and rainy and whatnot. So there's less UVB rays, but there's actually still the prominent UVA rays, and the dermatologists like to refer to those as the UV aging rays because those are the ones that really damage and age your skin. So you still need to wear your really good sunscreen every single day, even if that's the only thing you're gonna wear after you cleanse, put the sunscreen on, and of course, always protect your neck and décolleté as well. So second tip.
exfoliate. Even though you may feel dry and you're like, I don't want to scrub my face, that exfoliation takes the dead skin cells away, which could be the barrier between the moisture that you're putting into it. So if you have all that dead skin cells on your face and you're moisturizing it and you're like, why isn't this working? You may have that layer that's blocking the moisture from getting to your skin.
Perfect, exactly, and that leads us into moisturizer and staying hydrated. So if you're drinking enough water and you're staying hydrated, your skin's gonna have more moisture in it. So when we talk about hydration and drinking water, we wanna make sure that you're at least getting the 8 to 10 glasses a day. And you will notice when you're dehydrated, your skin, it just is not as plump as it normally is. And you just look more dry. And so adding in that extra hydration, making sure you're drinking enough water. I know it's the winter, it's harder to get your water in because we're not hot, but it's very important that you do so because it's gonna keep your skin nice and plump and moisturized.
And then fourth one is vitamin C. So even in the wintertime, you still want to protect your skin from all those damaging free radicals and stuff. So those can cause sunspots, fine lines, reduce the production of collagen. So making sure that you put on a vitamin C serum in the morning and at night before you put on your moisturizer or your sunscreen, any of that, just to keep protecting your skin from all those damaging radicals in the air.
Perfect. And then last but not least, of course, it's a really good moisturizer. So we know that moisturizer not only moisturizes the skin, but it also locks in all of the other products that you placed on your face. So having a good moisturizer on hand that you can use, you know, especially just even if you're spot treating certain areas on your skin that get a little bit more dry, adding in that moisturizer is a great idea. So we hope you learned something from this today, and be sure to like our video, subscribe at the bottom, and we'll see you next week.